So today we have customers Harrier CBX, which came in to have illegal modifications removed and be put back to factory standard, and to have the wrong Rotel front removed and a Harrier front put on from his other purchase, which has got what front? Oh, it got this front on a York 863. That's our next job. So hopefully Mr. Chippie's up there. There's so many knobs on this that I'll just have to make sure we're in a sensible position. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy? Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Okay, I'm on the customer's Harrier CBX, and I trust you're receiving me over.
Yeah, roger that. Just heading towards the end of the lane as always.
Okay, roger on that. And for those who want to know, the radio is drawing 1.2 amps.
Right, passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster radio station. Ancaster service station.
Okay.
We've got these little capo handhelds come today, so that's something we'll be playing with. It's quite nifty, that. A bit more professional than most, isn't it?
I'm just going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Right, just going over the top of the hill as we descend towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill. Those of you who know will know this Sabinet 134 base radio has every conceivable feature. We've got on-off volume, squelch, delta 2 and RFK mic gain. Channel 9 emergency switch, high-low power in line with 2781 rules. Public address facility and high-low and medium tone. And we've got a bit of a lift on today, so I don't know how we're going to get on with this test as we get towards the extensive range as he drives 6 miles away.
Tango 21 from Mississippi, just going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Roger, on that I've got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Roger. I'm just going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Passing the Kelby turn.
Roger on that, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Now passing the turn for Greyleys.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Tango 21 from Mississippi, just going over Rawsby Level Crossing.
Roger, got you at Rawsby Level Crossing, and that concludes the test. Thank you.
Roger.
Right, well, that's absolutely fine. As I said, there was a bit of a lift on, it still worked okay. We haven't had too much interference coming over, and I will just do a little piece to the base station and we'll see what it sounds like. We're running off the inverter at the moment because there's building work going on here. There's no electricity in that room, so just bear with it. If you hear a bit of a whine, it's not this radio.
Tango 21, testing the customer's Harrier CBX into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you for watching.